Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Welcome back at another lecture on Kotlin. Myself, Dr. Vipin Kumar. In a previous lecture, we learned how to install Kotlin on Windows by using JDK and IntelliJ IDE. Now, when we double click on IntelliJ IDE, as I shown you in the previous lecture, it will show like this. From this particular screen, it is, that is similar to the Android Studio screen also. So, click on a new project and it will ask you so what kind of project you want to make. So as we say Java, Java XFX, Android. So I want to make the Kotlin because this series is for Kotlin and Kotlin is also work for JS also multi-platform. So I want only JVM. The Kotlin slash JVM. Then next, give the name of the project. The project name is my first Kotlin project. Okay. Then it's showing you Java ID also. What kind of Java ID you are using. Then click on finish. After that, it will open. It take little bit of time. Okay. Now you can open this and go to source file. Here in a source file, just right click new and it's a Java class you want or Kotlin file you want. I want Kotlin class. So here give the name first hello class. Okay, name of the class is hello. Okay, so it will create a file name hello.kt because in Java we having a .java as extension and Kotlin we have a .kt as extension. Here we have to type main. Okay, it will show you the main function. Click enter. Automatically it will replace the default function of main function. Okay, what we have to do, just delete it. Once again type main and it show the what function you want. We want the main function because as we know in Java, in C++, we always start the programming with main function. So in this we do not have a public static void main as we have in Java, but we have a simple keyword function func for declaring a function. Name of the function is main. This function having a argument, the array type of string is called args as we have in main also. This is array of string type. So this is the declaration of array object in Kotlin. This is the main and we are having the same curly bracket of functions. Okay, we do not use public static void main type of things here. It's very short. As I told you, it's having a concise and expressive. Now here you can type light println. As we know println function in Java, and you can type here hello world. Okay, and no need to put semicolon. Okay, then go to run and click here. It will ask you to run and automatically it will display here the result. It will take a little bit of time. After compilation it will show you hello world at the top of the console window. So as we see, it's a very simple to make a hello world application in Kotlin language. Just we have to write a two line of code. Main function automatically comes and println, we know as system.out.println has been replaced with only by println. First time it will take time to build the application, then second time it will automatically run faster. So taking a lot of time. Just run. Coming. Oh, okay, you see it's showing a hello world here. Okay, first time it take time, but now it will run faster. Okay, so hello world have been done. Second line you want to print, you can print second line also. Welcome to Kotlin. No need to put semicolon. Again, you can click on here also. Just put this green button, and now it will run faster. Little bit faster than older one. Okay, welcome to Kotlin. Okay, now see one more program in the next video. Then we will one by one we will go in deeper in Kotlin. Okay.